It's not even a real tree. It's just boards covered in ice and color.
Why are they called the ice tree?
Because it's covered in ice and snow. It's not a tree.
What's up, guys? It's Matt and I'm down here at Veal's ice tree, and it's only 2 weeks old, but look at it already. Boom, 40 feet, at least 40 feet. Look at it. That's a 2-story house next to it. There's a lot of people down here already. Beautiful day for it because we actually got up into like the, I don't know, low 30s today, but it's been like negative, below zero temperatures. So this thing has grown very quickly. We were actually here just 2 weeks ago trying to help them build the frame for it. And I say trying because we got rained out, but here's what that looked like. I'm gonna grab some gloves.
I'm sorry, more people didn't show up. A lot of our family has Hondas, and he says his is the prettiest. The best. Oh, hey.
What happened to it? Does the lake freeze with it?
I don't know. It happened. Caleb, my finger's right
Where's your
there.
Oh, that's what.
Need nails.
Yeah, that's definitely not what we need. Grubby wear. Binder twine. Ladder.
There we go. Now we have a start. Yeah, we gotta go. I hate to leave you guys in almost.
We got some girl power right here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Be
thank
careful.
you. I hope you guys had fun. Sorry, Trey. You look cute in saying
So like I said, we got rained out, and I actually had an ornament party to go to with the kids, so we had to get out of here. But Winter stayed and toughed it out, and her boyfriend ended up actually building the frame and getting it done that day. And glad they did because it got cold real quick, and now look what we got. So I brought the drone down today to fly around it and get some aerial shots. So let's do it. All right, so there you guys have it. Awesome drone shots of this thing. I can't wait to see how big this thing's going to get this year. It's still early, you know, it's only the first week of January, about to be the second week of January, and this thing is already massive. So it's going to be a good year for it, I think. And we'll come back down and bring the drone again and keep you guys updated on what's going on with the ice tree. But if you guys want to check it out, there's links in the description below. At least go like them on Instagram and on Facebook. And we'll see you guys all next time. Peace.